Hi, I'm Nathan from Garland Skoda and Aldershot, and today I'll be sharing a quick video with you on how to use a public charger with the Enyaq 80X. If you've never used public charging for an electric car before, you may be a little bit apprehensive or not too sure how it works. Before this video I hadn't used one either, but I found the experience very easy and it was basically the same as filling up a petrol or diesel car. In this example I use an InstaVolt public charger. It's very simple because there's a sign in the middle which shows you exactly what you need to do. All you need to do is tap the card you wish to pay with on the contactless terminal and select which charger you'd like to use. In the case of the Enyaq, you would choose a CCS charger. All you need to do is then plug the cable into the car and then tap your card on the contactless terminal again to confirm the charge. Once plugged in, the infotainment screen on the Enyaq will show you how long it will take to fully charge and what percentage of the battery is currently on. Overall, charging an electric car is very easy. Obviously, bear in mind some public chargers can be a little bit different. So if you are a little bit apprehensive and not sure, make sure you do a little bit of research into what you use. There's apps on the App Store such as ZapMap which will tell you what chargers there are and the locations of them as well if you're planning a long journey. Hopefully this video has been informative and helped you understand public charging a little bit more. Thank you for watching.